Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 9s versus the Samsung Galaxy A51. And the Redmi Note 9s, it is a very cheaper phone than the Samsung Galaxy A51, at least in my country, Pakistan. And the Redmi Note 9s is powered by Snapdragon 720G chipset, which is based on 8nm architecture with a 6GB of RAM, while the Samsung Galaxy A51 comes with a Samsung Exynos 9611 chipset, which is based on a 10nm architecture with a 6GB of RAM, and both phones give you a quad cameras on the back, as you can see. So very interesting to see who is perform faster and who is best for you. And guys, again, this is not a head-to-head speed test. This video is for fun, so let's get right into it. Let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. Here we go. And look came up first on the Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51, and both phones is running on Android 10. We have One UI 2.1 update on the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus a MIUI 11 on the Redmi Note 9s. And let's see. In case of Redmi Note 9s, it is super fast when it comes to booting up, while the Samsung Galaxy A51, it is still taking some time, and now it is also done on the Samsung Galaxy A51. About 4 or 5 second difference there between these two devices. And guys, both phones give you a full HD display. We have a Super AMOLED display on the A51 with the Infinity O display, and you can see it is also really small on the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus a full HD IPS LCD display on the Redmi Note 9s. And also we have a punch hole display on the front, and you can see it is a lot bigger than the Samsung Galaxy A51. So now let's see the app's opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background, and you can see no app is running in the background, and also same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And the first application I'm gonna launching is the phone dialer on both phones. Here we go. You can see that is a little bit faster on the Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. Settings on both phones. Boom. And again little bit faster on the Redmi Note 9s, followed by the A51. Calculator on both phones, Mi calculator versus Samsung calculator, and you can see about the same on both phones again. Amazon shopping on both phones, and also we have same Wi-Fi network on both phones. And in case of Redmi Note 9s, it is faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A51, now it is also done. Now let's see the scrolling on both phones, and you can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Both phones perform really smooth. Instagram faster on the Note 9s again, followed by the A51. Spotify on both phones, and faster again on the Redmi Note 9s. We have Zedge application on both phones, and you can see Redmi Note 9s, it is faster there. Snapchat faster, about the same on both phones, and you can see. So now let's launch some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga, and let's see how much a difference between a Snapdragon 720G versus the Exynos 9611. And you can see that the Redmi Note 9s, it is super faster there while I'm talking, and A51, it is also right behind there, about 2 or 3 second difference there. Subway Surfer on both phones, and you can see again Redmi Note 9s is faster, and Samsung Galaxy A51 is right behind there, and about 1 or 2 second difference there. So last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and seems like Redmi Note 9s is again faster, and you can see it is again faster than the Samsung Galaxy A51, and you can see, and A51, now it is also done. My files faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51 this time. Twitter, and that is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, and that is about the same on both phones, and both phones give you a main 48 megapixel main sensor. Then we have a ultra wide depth sensor as well as a macro lens on both phones. Now let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using default Samsung internet browser on the A51 versus the Google Chrome on the Redmi Note 9s. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and that is faster on the Redmi Note 9s, followed by the Samsung Galaxy A51. So now let's see the scrolling. You can see feels very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Now let's see the wwe.com. It is a heavy website, and now let's see who is faster. And you can see Redmi Note 9s, it is super faster there, while the Samsung Galaxy A51, now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference there in the internet browsing speeds. And you can see it feels very smooth on both phones. It is a really heavy website, and I noticed little bit lag on the Redmi Note 9s as well as on the A51, but after some time both phones is really smooth. Now let's see the RAM management on both phones, and both phones give you a 6 GB of RAM, so very interesting to see who is performed better in the RAM management. In my last speed test, Redmi Note 9s, it is absolutely good in the RAM management. Now let's see it is again happen or not. Phone dialer, no refresh. Settings, let's see the calculator, no refresh. Amazon shopping, no refresh. Instagram, no refresh. Spotify, same result. Zedge, Snapchat, no refresh. Let's see the Candy Crush Saga, that is also not refresh on both phones. Subway Surfer, you can see no refresh. Let's see the Temple Run 2, that is also not refresh on both phones. Both phones is on the latest software version. MyFast, no refresh. Let's see the Twitter. And last we are back to the internet browser, and you can see that is also not refresh on both phones. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is definitely much faster on the Redmi Note 9s thanks to Snapdragon 720G chipset, and I mean that the Redmi Note 9s, it is much cheaper phone than the Samsung Galaxy A51, especially in Pakistan market. And RAM management is absolutely incredible on both phones. I really impressed by the performance on the Redmi Note 9s in apps opening speed as well as in the RAM management. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy A51 versus the Redmi Note 9s. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below regarding these two devices, and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.